The thing is, most of us already have old camera mounts lying around, gathering dust. They're just piling dust. Why not breathe new life into them and turn them into something more useful? With a little creativity and some simple materials, you can repurpose that old mount and save yourself a small fortune. Let's take a look at the materials we'll need for this do-it-yourself project. You'll need the old camera mount, of course, as well as some basic tools like a drill, a screwdriver, a box knife, a round file, electrical tape, and slip joint pliers. You might see me use a little more extra tools, but you don't really need all this. The situation might be different. Also, don't worry if you don't have all of this lying around. They're easy to find at your local hardware store. The first step is to disassemble the old mount and strip it down to its bare essentials. This might take a bit of patience, but it's crucial to understand how everything fits together before you start making changes. Take your time and make sure you keep track of all the screws and pieces as you go, just in case you need to reuse them later for another project. Next, you need to modify the mount to fit the specific mounting point. In my case, I will be attaching it to my dual monitor stand that's already mounted on my desk. This will involve some cutting, shaping, and applying electrical tape. Your case might be different, so be prepared to get a bit creative. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. It's all part of the do-it-yourself process after all. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, it's time to reassemble everything and add any finishing touches. Now, this is where you can get really creative and add your own personal flair to the project. In my case, I have to eliminate excessive wiggle room by applying electrical tape as required until the mount is snug enough and it's not too loose, not too tight. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can take an old, useless camera mount and turn it into a functional, high-quality alternative that will save you hundreds of dollars. I've got to say, I'm super impressed with how well this turned out. The finish is smooth, the camera fits perfect, and it's rock solid. Exactly what you need for stable, professional-looking footage. By repurposing an old camera mount, you're not only saving money, but also reducing waste and getting creative. So it's a win-win situation. To recap, today we explored an innovative way to repurpose an old camera mount and turn it into a high-quality alternative that can save you hundreds of dollars. Whether you are an aspiring content creator or just looking for a fun do-it-yourself project, this hack is definitely worth trying out. Thank you for joining me on this do-it-yourself adventure. If you've got any creative projects or hacks you'd love to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more do-it-yourself goodness and check out my other videos on other interests. See you in the next one. Take care.